friends and family, what is going on? It's Carlton Flowers with CZTV back in your face again. And this is my first video of 2009, and I want to share a few goals and a few greetings. So, with the goals, I am setting some firm goals this year that I will accomplish. Goal number one, the television show is going to come back. The Carlton Zone is going to be on Channel 3 in Jefferson City, JCTV Channel 3, and possibly CATV3 in Columbia within 2 months. That's right, you heard it right here. I said it, 2 months I'm going to be back on the tube. And it will be on YouTube and my website, thecarltonzone.com. Everybody's been asking me, Carlton, when are you going to get back on the TV? Why aren't you doing that funny stuff on JCTV like you used to do? So I'm going to get back on the television. Okay, that is my goal. Goal number two this year, I am going to get back into shape. Why? Because I'm sick of the belly, I'm sick of this fat face, and I'm sick of just, say, if I sprint for 50 feet, I'm out of breath, and it feels like my chest is gonna explode. Well, this year, I'm going back to the gym, I'm gonna get into shape, I'm gonna lose all this flab, and get back to how I looked in those pictures with the green shirt where I was all ripped and muscles, and nice, clean, thin face, and looking all good and handsome and everything, because, you know, I did have to get rid of all this extra because I'm just sick and tired of all the fluff and the flab and the fact that there's 5 pairs of pants that's sitting in my closet right now that I cannot even snap. But don't tell anybody about that. It's a big secret. So, goal number three, I want to get back in touch with all my old high school and college friends. I will do it. I will do it. In fact, 2 days ago, I had one new person that I added to my Facebook profile. The next thing you know, here's 15 people that I haven't seen forever that are from high school, from the class of 1985. What's up, class of 1985? How are y'all doing? You're getting old and I'm not. Ha ha, because I refuse to age. Yeah, right. So anyway, it's so good to see all my old high school friends. How you doing? You're going to see a lot more from me. And hey, hit me up on Facebook and also on Twitter. www.twitter.com/CarltonF is my ID. And if you don't know what that is, you need to do a little homework and get with it. Yes. So I also have several other goals that are about a mile long, but I'm not going to get into that right now because there's just too many. But I'm going to talk about them on my blog and keep everybody up to date on what is going on in my life and how we can set goals together and accomplish things as a team. We can do it in 2009. It's gonna happen. Thanks for watching the video, and I'll see you very soon. I'm out of here.
Carlton Zone. Get into the zone.